Welcome back to HireSense. In the previous video, we explored the overall platform and recruitment workflow. In this video, we will focus on user onboarding, role management, department configuration, and access control. These capabilities help organizations ensure that every user has the appropriate level of access based on their responsibilities within the hiring process. We will begin by defining organizational roles, then configure department, assign permissions, and finally onboard a new user into the platform. Roles are used to define the responsibilities of users within the recruitment process. Organizations often have different stakeholders involved in hiring, including recruiters, hiring managers, interviewers, and HR administrators. HireSense allows organizations to create custom roles that align with their internal recruitment structure. Let's look at the existing roles configured within the system. Each role later can be assigned specific permission, ensuring users have access only to the functions required to their responsibilities. Creating a new role is straightforward. We will create a role for technical interviewers who participate in candidate assessment and interview activities. Once saved, the role immediately becomes available for permission assignment and user onboarding. The new technical interviewer role has now been added successfully. In addition to roles, HireSense support department-based organization. Departments help group users according to business functions, making administration and reporting significantly easier. Departments often represent teams such as engineering, human resources, operations, sales, or product management. Let's create an engineering department. Once created, departments become available during user onboarding and permission assignment. The engineering department is now ready for use. Now that we have both a role and department configured, we can define what users in that role are allowed to access. This is where HireSense provides granular control over platform permissions. Let's select technical interview and from department engineering. The platform loads the available permissions associated with this role and department combinations. Permissions can be configured across all major recruitment modules, including candidate management, job description, shortlisting activities, interview workflows, and administrative functions. Let's enable candidate management, interview management. In this example, technical interviews only need access to candidate profile and interview related activities. Administrative module remain restricted. This ensures user receives only the access required for their responsibilities, improving both security and governance. With roles and permission configured, we are now ready to onboard a new user. User onboarding can be completely directly from the HireSense platform. The invitation process combines user information, department assignment, and role allocation into the single workflow. Let's fill name, department, role, email. And phone number. As we complete the invitation form, notice that department and roles created earlier are immediately available for selection. The assigned role automatically determines the permissions the user will receive after onboarding. Once the invitation is sent, the user receives onboarding instruction and can begin using the platform according to their assigned permissions. The user management module provides a centralized view of all the users across the organization. Administrator can monitor user status, department assignments, and role allocations from a single interface. Let's search for user. User can be located quickly using search and filtering capabilities. This becomes especially valuable as organizations scale and manage larger recruitment teams. User information can be updated whenever organizational structures or responsibilities changes. Changes can be applied without disrupting existing recruitment workflows. If a user has not completed onboarding, invitation emails can be resent directly from the platform. This helps administrators quickly resolve onboarding issues without creating duplicate accounts. In this video, we configured organizational roles, created departments, defined access permission, and onboarded a new user into the platform. Together, these capabilities provide a structured and secure framework for managing recruitment teams within HireSense. By combining role-based access control with centralized user management, organizations can maintain security while enabling efficient collaboration across the hiring process. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will explore organizational setup and learn how HireSense standardizes skills, experience bands, topic mappings, and AI-driven recruitment configurations that power candidate matching and evaluation.